I sought the Lord one early morning. The house was still, the day was dawning. It's your name and word that has the power. It's your name and word that's changing lives this very hour. Lift my faith to believe. Lift my faith to believe. Lift my faith to believe. All the promises of God. The Lord spoke, "You are my child and I love you." No greater love has any other. I send my son to set you free. He is the hope for the world. Lift my faith to believe. Lift my faith to believe. Lift my faith to believe. All the promises of God. My Holy Spirit will not leave you. He'll give you strength for every need. Seek my will and see my glory. Just trust in